Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, why do I look heavier or just a little off? You fix your blouse, adjust your jewelry, but something still doesn't feel right. It's not your body that changed, it's your pants silently working against you. After 50, our shape, posture, and movement evolve. Yet most women keep wearing the same pant styles they've trusted for decades. They cling where they shouldn't, droop where they can't, and flatten what once gave you grace. And the result? You don't look older because of age. You look older because of proportion. But here's the secret. With the right pair of pants, you can instantly look taller, slimmer, and more radiant without losing comfort or modesty. It's not about chasing youth. It's about refining silhouette, learning what flatters the woman you are today. So in this video, we'll uncover 7 pant mistakes that quietly age you and what to wear instead to look effortlessly chic, confident, and yes, younger. Because elegance after 50 isn't about blending in, it's about standing tall with clothes that move with you, not against you. Let's begin with the first mistake, one that hides your shape under the illusion of comfort. Mistake number 1, the baggy comfort pant. You know that pair, soft, stretchy, and forgiving, the comfort pants that feel like a warm hug on lazy mornings. But here's the secret few will tell you. Those pants are not comforting your style. They're quietly adding 10 years to your look. When pants lose structure, your body loses its frame. Baggy cuts blur your waistline, shorten your legs, and create that slouchy effect that pulls your whole outfit downward. And while they may feel cozy, visually, they say one thing, tired. But you don't need to give up comfort for shape. What to wear instead? Choose a soft, tailored fit, something with gentle stretch but clean lines. Look for flat fronts, subtle tapering, and fabrics with drape, like pant knit, structured jersey, or lightweight wool blends. These materials move with your body without clinging. Pair them with a half-tucked blouse or a short cardigan that ends right above the hips. Instantly, your silhouette transforms. Longer legs, defined waist, confident posture. It's not about squeezing into something smaller. It's about wearing pants that honor your shape, not hide it. Because comfort doesn't come from fabric alone. It comes from how you feel when you walk past the mirror and like what you see. Mistake number 2, the capri cut curse. The capri pant, every woman's old friend from summer days gone by. They're light, practical, and modest. But here's the truth no one talks about. Capris are notorious for visually shortening the legs, especially after 50. That mid-calf hemline cuts your silhouette right where the leg is widest. It chops the body into awkward sections, making you look stockier and shorter, even if you're not. And when paired with flat shoes or sneakers, the effect becomes even harsher. Instead of elongating your frame, capris quietly compress it. So, what's the better choice? Go for ankle-length trousers or cropped slim pants that end just above the ankle bone. That's the most flattering point on the leg. It shows a graceful sliver of skin, gives the illusion of height, and brings elegance to your stride. If you love summer ease, look for linen blends, cigarette cuts, or straight ankle pants. They keep you cool, but your lines remain long and refined. Pair them with nude shoes or wedges for a seamless vertical flow. Remember, after 50, you don't need to hide your legs. You just need to frame them with intention. Because true grace doesn't come from covering more. It comes from revealing just enough to let confidence breathe. Mistake number 3, the low-rise trap. There was a time when low-rise jeans ruled every wardrobe. They were the cool girl uniform of the early 2000s. But what once looked trendy now works against elegance, especially after 50. Low-rise pants sit far below the natural waistline, cutting your body in half and creating a shorter torso, longer hip illusion that drags your shape downward. Instead of lengthening your figure, they compress your midsection and highlight areas that deserve support, not exposure. And here's the sneaky part. Even when you're slim, low-rise pants can cause that little muffin top effect or emphasize posture changes that come with age. They fight your natural curves instead of framing them gracefully. So what's the fix? Choose mid-rise or high-rise pants that rest gently at your natural waistline. They smooth the tummy, lift the hips, and create that beautiful long line silhouette that says poised, not trying too hard. Try pairing them with the softly tucked blouse or a slightly cropped blazer, the kind that defines your waist and draws the eye upward. Suddenly, you look balanced, elegant, and effortlessly in control. Remember, your clothes should rise with you, not drag you back to a trend that no longer serves your beauty. Because when the fit honors your form, the result isn't younger looking, it's simply timeless. Mistake number 4, the heavy fabric fiasco. Many women over 50 fall into this quiet trap, thinking that thicker fabrics hide more, smooth more, and hold everything in. But in reality, those heavy, stiff materials are secretly doing the opposite. Bulky wool, coarse denim, or thick cotton twill can add unnecessary volume where you least want it. They don't flow, they sit on the body, exaggerating stiffness and breaking your silhouette's natural rhythm. Instead of graceful movement, your outfit feels heavy, and so do you. The eye reads stiffness as age, movement reads as youth. So what should you wear instead? Opt for lightweight, structured fabrics. Think pante, soft drape, draping viscose, or stretch twill. These give shape without weight, and they glide along your curves instead of clinging or buffing out. Another tip? Choose pants with a bit of fluidity, a subtle flare, a straight leg, or a slight drape at the ankle. When fabric moves as you walk, it creates a visual rhythm, a kind of elegant motion that instantly feels youthful. You're not trying to disguise your body, you're learning how to let fabric complement it. Because elegance isn't about how thick the fabric is, it's about how lightly you carry it. Mistake number 5, the wrong length illusion. Pant length might seem like a tiny detail, but it can completely change how your entire body looks. Many women over 50 wear pants that are just a few inches too long or too short, not realizing that those few inches can shrink your height and widen your frame in an instant. When pants bunch up around the ankles, they break the visual line of your leg, creating a shorter, heavier effect. On the other hand, when they're cropped too high, especially with dark shoes, they slice your silhouette and make the legs look stumpy. The result? You lose elegance, even if everything else is perfect. So what's the golden rule? Your pants should kiss the top of your shoe, not puddle around it. Straight and wide leg trousers should graze the floor when you're standing tall. Cropped style should end just above the ankle bone, no higher. That's where the legs looks longest and most balanced. If you're petite, tailor your pants precisely. It's the easiest, most overlooked beauty secret. Good tailoring doesn't just fit your body, it elevates your energy. Because nothing says put together like clothes that truly fit you. And when your clothes fit, everything else, posture, presence, and confidence, suddenly stands taller too. Mistake number 6, the elastic waist dilemma. Let's be honest, who doesn't love a good elastic waistband? It's forgiving, easy, and promises comfort after a good lunch. But here's the catch. While elastic waist pants feel good, they rarely look good. At least not the way most are designed. Those gathered, stretchy waistbands often add bulk around the midsection, Exactly where most women want less volume. They flatten the hips, erase your natural waistline, and make your outfit look more practical than polished. In short, comfort wins, style disappears. But you don't have to give up one for the other. The key is structure disguised as comfort. Look for flat front elastic pants, where the stretch is hidden at the back or sides. These designs smooth the stomach, define the waist, and give you that effortless glide when you move. Fabrics like ponte, stretch crepe, or pull-on trousers with seams are perfect. They feel like yoga pants, but look like tailored slacks. Pair them with a tucked or semi-tucked blouse, a sleek belt, or a statement necklace to draw the eye upward. Suddenly, your entire outfit transforms from retired comfort to casual sophistication because you deserve pants that let you breathe without making your styles fall asleep. Mistake number 7, the outdated cut that ages you. Fashion has a quiet way of time stamping us. Boot cuts from the early 2000s, pleated trousers from the 90s, or ultra skinny jeans from the 2010s. All once beautiful, now quietly whispering, I haven't changed in years. And that's the danger of outdated cuts. Not that they're wrong, but that they freeze your image in time. Even when your hair, makeup, or posture evolve, those pants tell an older story. Wide balloon hips, heavy pleats, or boxy straight legs can age your look faster than wrinkles ever could. But here's the magic. You can stay classic without looking stuck. Trade those overly structured cuts for modern, streamlined silhouettes. Soft wide legs, slim straights, gentle flares, or ankle crops with flow. These shapes elongate your frame, let fabric move with grace, and feel both elegant and current. Color also matters. Swapping faded blacks or dated prints for rich neutrals like taupe, navy, ivory, or sand. These hues whisper sophistication instead of shouting vintage. Because timeless doesn't mean old-fashioned. It means refined, refreshed, and aware. Your pants don't just cover your legs, they narrate how confidently you evolved. So let them tell the world, I've aged beautifully and I still dress like I mean it. Now that we've left those aging pant styles behind, let's talk about the ones that instantly lift your look. The kinds that whisper confidence, flatter every curve, and move like poetry when you walk. 1. The straight leg trouser. A timeless cut that elongates the leg and balances the body. It skims, never clings, and gives you a graceful vertical line. Choose fabrics with soft drape and a clean crease down the front for that tailored without effort energy. 2. The slim ankle pant. Perfect for showing just enough ankle to create height and polish. Pairing with nude flats or pointed shoes to stretch the leg visually. Chic, sleek, and endlessly versatile. 3. The fluid wide leg. Modern yet forgiving, this silhouette lengthens your entire frame when paired with a tucked-in top or short blazer. The key is flow. Fabric that moves as you move. It doesn't add bulk, it adds presence. And 4, the high-rise wonder. The quickest way to define your waist and smooth your silhouette. A gentle high rise draws the eye upward, creating instant balance and poise. And here's the golden rule. When in doubt, go for structure, movement, and proportion. Because when your pants elongate your lines and honor your natural shape, you don't just look slimmer and taller, you feel unstoppable. Here's the truth, my friend. Your beauty was never lost. It simply needed new lines to move through. Pants are more than fabric. They shape how you stand, how you walk, how you feel in your own story. And after 50, that story deserves to be told with clarity and confidence, not hidden behind comfortable mistakes or outdated fits that no longer serve the woman you've become. Every silhouette we choose is a message. Baggy shapes whisper uncertainty. Heavy fabrics say restraint. But modern cuts, those that flow, that breathe, that celebrate your form, they speak of freedom. So the next time you dress, don't ask, does this make me look younger? Ask, does this make me feel alive? Because elegance isn't stitched into the fabric. It's carried in the posture, the smile, and the quiet pride that says, I know who I am, and I wear it beautifully. Tell me below, which pant mistake have you been guilty of? And which new style are you ready to try? Because here at Elder's Lantern, we don't dress to hide time, we dress to illuminate it.